Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the simple process of how to open an existing chat on the X app. Whether you're checking in on an older conversation, replying to friends, or continuing a discussion you left off earlier, these steps will get you there quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Give it a second to load, and once the home screen appears, you'll see a few icons across the bottom navigation bar. What you're looking for is the message icon. It usually looks like a small envelope, and tapping on it will take you directly into your messaging section. Now that you're inside the messages area, you'll see a list of all your recent chats. This list includes any ongoing conversations you've had, whether with individual contacts or group threads. Simply scroll through the list until you find the chat you'd like to continue. If you have a lot of messages, you can make things faster by using the search feature at the top, typing in the name of the person or group you're looking for. Once you've located the conversation, tap on it, and the full chat history will appear. From here, you're ready to pick up exactly where you left off. Type your message into the text box at the bottom, hit send, and continue the conversation seamlessly. It's worth noting that existing chats remain stored in your Messages tab, even if you haven't opened them in a while. That makes it really easy to reconnect without having to start a new thread every time. Keeping all your discussions organized in one place helps you stay on top of communications without any confusion. And that's it, 3 simple steps. Open the X app, tap on the message icon, and select the existing chat you want to continue. Easy, quick, and straightforward. If this walkthrough helped you, be sure to stay tuned for more guides that break down everyday app features and make them simple to use. Thanks for watching.